Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best wood dry eraser on the market, the 10-pack chalkboard erasers from Ysglory. Whether you're a teacher, student, artist, or office professional, this pack of erasers is designed to make your chalkboard or whiteboard cleaning hassle-free and efficient. First off, let's talk about the design and materials. These erasers are crafted with a wooden handle that feels comfortable to hold and is durable enough to withstand daily use. The wood is smooth and wear-resistant, providing a sturdy grip without causing discomfort over long periods. Attached to each handle is a wool felt erasing surface. This felt is specially chosen for its strong absorption ability, which means it quickly picks up chalk dust or dry erase marker residue, leaving your board spotless with minimal effort. What's really impressive is the pack size. With 10 erasers included, you're well equipped for any setting. Schools, offices, or even at home. This quantity ensures you always have a fresh eraser ready to go or replacements on hand. The compact size of each eraser makes them easy to handle and store without taking up much space. They're lightweight, so they don't add strain when used frequently. Another standout feature is versatility. These erasers work perfectly on a variety of surfaces, including traditional chalkboards, whiteboards, and even dry erase boards. This flexibility makes them a smart choice if you use different types of boards throughout your daily routine. You won't need multiple erasers cluttering your space because these will do the job on several surfaces. For those who love a personal touch, the wooden handles offer an excellent canvas for customization. Whether you want to paint, stain, or engrave your erasers, the smooth wood makes it easy to add your own style or branding. This adds a unique charm that can brighten up any classroom or office environment. In terms of maintenance, these erasers are simple to keep in good shape. Before using them for the first time, a gentle hand cleaning to remove any loose fibers will ensure peak performance. After that, a quick shake or gentle brush will clear off chalk dust, keeping them ready for the next use without much fuss. To sum it up, the Ysglory 10-pack chalkboard erasers combine quality materials, effective performance, and excellent value. The wooden handle and wool felt surface provide a comfortable and efficient erasing experience. Their versatility across different board types and generous pack size make them a reliable choice for anyone needing dependable erasers. Plus, the option for customization adds a creative bonus that's hard to find in typical chalkboard accessories. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for the best wood dry eraser that's practical, durable, and ready to meet daily cleaning needs, this Ysglory pack is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.